How to fix Google Chrome download bubble not showing up. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open any of the browser. I suggest you to open your Google Chrome app here. Now you want to go to the search bar and search for older version for Chrome. Tap on the link as I'm tapping here. Now here you'll be able to see a lot of version of Google Chrome. You can download any of it according to your laptop or PC capability. Mine is 64, so I'm going to download this one right here. After that, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to the search bar and search for settings. As you do that, you want to go ahead and tab on apps. Tab on installed apps. Now you want to scroll down and search for Google Chrome. You want to go ahead and uninstall the app, and after that you want to install it again from any other web browser. So that is how you can fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.